Hello, I'm going to use Google Sheets and Lawrence Anthony's donationware app Taggant to organize my vocab list. And then I'm going to use the Google Sheets add-on FormBuilder Plus, currently on free plan, to export a very simple Google Forms quiz. On the left, I have Google Sheets open. On the right, I have Taggant. Let's take a look. After copying the text into the input text field in Taggant, I made sure the language was set to English. At first, the display information was set to POS-tagged and output format vertical because I just wanted a long list. But it happens that this text has a lot of multi-word items, so I wanted to confirm details as I edited the original Google Sheets file. If you just have a simple list of words, I recommend just using POS-tag as the display information. So we have this list. What are we going to do with it? Okay, this is optional, but I just saw the list of POS-tags. So we're going to go to data, scope range, and advanced range sorting options. So I can see where the POS-tags are. And I'm going to insert red lines between each POS. That means when I hit Control-Shift down, I'll be able to select all chunk very easily. Now we're ready to start making the test. I don't want the POS-tags in the test, and I want the Japanese words to act as the questions, so I'm just going to copy the columns into the middle order. That means questions first and then the correct answer in the next column. Here's a randomized list of suitable distractors. Same entries are same part of speech, so I just copy each of these. I go to my test sheet. Paste special transposed. That means the numbers will be listed. Now's my chance to edit any of the items, remove any blank lines. Items that I change manually. Okay, the quiz will with 1 point, no questions, just for the my practice. Okay, the questions are in column B. The answers start at column C. The answers end at column F. Okay. The correct answer is in column C. The points are in column G. And I'm really just going to keep it simple. Go. Okay, does this look kind of okay? Preview. Okay, we've got the question item, we've got the correct answer and the other distractors. It's required because I said it that way. I haven't changed anything, but yep, okay, confirm changes, all good. Did my document pass correctly? Yes. Do I want to create a Google form? Why else am I here? Create. Okay, I might actually want to change this. Okay, Unit 2, and I actually made one before, so let's just Give it a weird name. Okay. Now, you can either open the quiz and take a look at it, or you can import it right into this sheet, which is what I'm going to do. This usually means that the results of the quiz are going to be on another sheet in this file. Okay, I'm just checking the Google quiz. It has been randomized correctly, even though the first few items, the correct answer is in fact in the first position. Okay, I might want to edit some of these items, but other than that, it's certainly functioning correctly. And we are done here.